How can you make a custom YouTube thumbnail that will wow everybody? That is easy, that is free, and is dope. Well, I'm going to show you that right now. Do not go anywhere. Well, what I use is Photojet, photojet.com. You don't have to worry so much. I'm going to leave the link down below for you to click on, and I'm going to tell you how you can make custom YouTube thumbnail because that will help you to bring more viewers to your YouTube channel. So let's go straight to business. So when you go to photojet.com, you can go to design. You see design. Just hold on a little. Now, we're on design. So you can see many things you can do here, like poster, like card, like a magazine cover. So what we need to do is to scroll down, just scroll down, and YouTube thumbnail. That is simple. Just click on it. Now, what you do is this. When you see all these with the kind of crown on it, it means it's not free. So what I usually use is this first one. Just click on it. Now, you can use this exactly to design your YouTube thumbnail. But of course, this picture may have nothing to do with what you're trying to do. Now, let me show you something else you can do. We can change this photo exactly, we can change it. So now let's go to this. Now, I encourage you to always use copyright free photos on your YouTube or anything you do. It shows regard for people and for creators. So now let's imagine you want to do a custom thumbnail for Out of Hand True Love. Now let's just look for something like that. That's what's come to my head. And a lot of free photos we're going to get now. This is one. Let's say that we click on this and just click on download. It's downloaded already. So the name of this website is pelzels.com. I will leave the link also for this. So now we click on photo, add photo. Now this is it. Now we're going to, it's there already. You can just, okay, it's there already. Just hold on please. You can crop it this way if you want. But if you don't want, let me undo what I've done. I've undo what I've done. So you can just click on it and drag it here, and that's all. Just click on it and drag it here. Now this is it. You can write on this, you can write on this, and then you can also write on this. So what I just need just one thing I can write on. So you can type anything here. You can type and you can remove. I want to remove this. I don't need it. I've removed and just click on it. This is gone. The first one is gone. I don't need this because you can also, that means you can write in three different places and flip them all over the way you want. I don't need this. I'm going to remove this. I just need one. This is what I need, and I'm going to write on it. How to find true love. to delete the rest. So um, I like using this. So you can actually increase the number or reduce the number. This is 48. You can move it to 72, and you can change the color here. I really found that nice. So what color do you want to use? People are different, you know. We know the best color to use more than each other, you know. So let me say I want to use red like this or something. Okay, let me use this, and that is it. The color, let me click on it. I can make it bold if I want. If click on it, you can click on, okay, it's bold already. You can underline if you want. You can undo it, and these are different ones you can use. All these with the crown on it, as it were, you can't use it. So let's scroll down. You can find something like this Hollywood, and this is it. How to find true love. Wow. So I use Hollywood too, and it's free for you. So what you can do, you can drag, you can drag, you can drag this, and you can walk around it. Like any mistake you make, just click on Ctrl Z. This is it. How to find true love. You can stretch it down. This is it. How to find true love. And in fact, you can rotate it like this, the way you want. You can do it this way. It's up to you. It's up to you. I can also do it this way if I want to. How to find true love. I can move it this way. Bola. And let's, it might say you want to change one of the picture. Yeah, you can click on it, as you highlight it as well. You can change the photo if you want, the color if you want. Now this is done. How to find true love. I mean, imagine I just have a video called how to find true love, and I just have this. People will be moved to click on it. It's catchy. It's done not just by any kind of camera. Nice camera. The picture is nice, and we've done. So what do we need to do? Save. You can save in JPEG. You can save in whatever you want, and you can name it. I can say how to find true love. Done. Now if you want to use the code on the website, on your blog, can you imagine, just click on it and voila, put it on your website. But I'm not just doing that. What I need is the picture exactly down on my system. So I click on save for free, and that is all. That is all, ladies and gentlemen. Now let me go back to download, and how to find true love. I click on it. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I'm talking about. So you go to your YouTube and you upload it to custom thumbnail, and that is done. That is beautiful. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys. Please, before you go, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I'm leaving the link down below, and you can also donate for me if you want. Thank you very much. I love you guys, and until next time I come your way, I am the pro.